Hi friends, we will see the some programs of arbitrary arguments and arbitrary keyword arguments. Actually, today we will see the global and local scope. But instead of that, I will first say I will explain the some programs on two to three programs on the arbitrary and arbitrary keyword arguments. Later we will see the global and local scope variables. First we will see the arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary argument functions. First, we will give the f keyword for the f keyword for the function display display uh, students display student. It will collect using the star data, or we can take any name, but star is a must mandatory. While passing it, I will first pass this, and first I will call this function. While calling, you can take a number of elements like a number of elements like John John age 46, John location Mumbai, like mobile number something something this number. While while defining the function itself, we are taking the first printing the data. Later we are going to print the data one by one for I in data print of I print of I. If you try to execute this one, Python test.py. We got the first entire data as a tuple in the form of list. We will got a one by one data from the tuple John 26 Mumbai and phone number. This is the one function. This is the one program. Second program is I'm going to explain using the student same data, but I take this one as a student too. But instead of here, here we are passing the data, but there is a no meaning. What is this 26? What is this Mumbai? What is this one number like? Here, in the second way, I'm passing like a some meaningful data, like a using the star data. Here, I'm going to first call the function. Later, I will write the statements in the function. While calling display to I'm going to take some meaningful like using the keyword arguments like arbitrary keyword arguments. Here first I'm going to take name as Smith like this. If you give key also like this, it will have the some meaningful some identification for this data. Age, location, Mumbai. Next mobile number, mobile number 89678 like this. Some identification. After this, in the function, we are going to first print the data. Later, I'm going to take the data I comma j. I'm going to print this data. See the output. Python test.py. See, I got the data in the form of the dictionary. This is a name. This is a value. Sorry, this is a key. This is a value. Like this, it is printing. It is getting. While printing also name Smith and age 26 location Mumbai. We are giving some meaningful names to the data while calling. This is the this is a arbitrary keyword arguments. This is a arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments. In the third function, display student 3 I'm getting. Here I'm take the both data and I'll give argue both arbitrary arguments and arbitrary keyword arguments. Star star KW args here. While defining this one, I will first call the function. Here, first I will take the marks here. Some marks like 38, 42, 56. Like after that, I am going to take username Ram, username Ram, password Ram 123, and email Ram @gmail.com @gmail.com, like mobile 89732416. Like this I'm taking while calling. If you want to write the statements here, first I'm going to argue. First I'm going to print the argue, later I'm going to print the K, KWRs. While calling this, if you try to execute this one, see these arguments, these required arguments, these non-keyword arguments are getting like a non-keyword arguments are passing to the star argue, and these keyword arguments are passing to the KW args. KW args. See here. Okay. Username, password, and email like a dictionary. These are like a these numbers are like a tuple. Like this also we can pass. This is the function. This is the three programs we have seen. In the next class, we are going to see the global and local scopes in the function. How do you handle the global scope and how do you handle the local scope in the function? That's all, friends. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support me.